Welcome back. Dead body of Elsina Pace was deliberately brought through my property at Baifala Solna to create a forceful pathway. Lida João, owner of the property, cleared to Prudent. Lida João further said that late Elsina Pace had lost almost all legal battles over her claim for a pathway through the property. There was a ruckus during the funeral procession of Elsina Pace on 7th June at Baifala Solna. Lida claimed that she and her sister were assaulted too.
Lida João, owner of the property at Baifal Asolna, had a dispute with Elsina Paes over a pathway. Elsina died in Mumbai and her corpse was brought to her native place for final rites proceedings on 7 June. Lida João claimed that it was a forceful act of people.
On 7/6/13, Mrs. Elsina Paes, who lives in Mumbai, her dead body was deliberately brought by an ambulance to create a road in my property. In the year 1991, Mrs. Elsina Paes had filed for claiming a right of way through our property, which suit got dismissed in the year 2001, and thereafter her appeal to the district court was dismissed in the year 2005.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
And now news from sports. Genevieve D'Costa took her tally to 2 silver medals on the second day of the National Aquatic Championship at Kampal on Friday. The 15-year-old diver finished second in high-board event to earn another silver for Goa in the juniors category. Alhad Chati picked up a bronze in the boys springboard event in the under-17 category.
Once again, Genevieve D'Costa provided a good start to the day for the host with another silver medal in diving. The high-board diving event was followed by 3-meter springboard competition. Simran Rajani from Maharashtra put up a superb performance to win the gold medal in the under-15 event. Despite a fractured hand, the 14-year-old Mumbai girl gave a classy display. One to watch out for in the future Indian teams, Simran has so far won more than 10 gold medals in various national championships. Nikhil Nagvekar and Alhad Chatti represented Goa in 3-meter springboard boys event in the afternoon. The event was dominated by services divers. Alhad clinched a bronze medal to add to Goa's kitty on the second day. Here are some highlights. Sports editor Niraj Prabhu with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Gauri Hadkonkar won the Tarkar Memorial State Women's Chess Championship at Kampal on Friday. Gauri defeated Aishwarya Thorat in the final round to clinch the state champion title. Aishwarya finished second.
JCI Santines, under the aegis of Goa Chess Association, had organized the Tarkar Memorial Chess Championship at Kampal. In all, 49 girls took part in the tournament. Gauri Hadkonkar remained unbeaten in the tournament, collecting 5.5 points from 6 rounds. She beat Aishwarya Thorat in the final round to win the title. Aishwarya finished second while Riddhi Zante had to settle for third place. Urvi Bandekar finished fourth. The top 4 players will now represent Goa at the National Women's Challengers Tournament to be held in Kerala next month. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.